Sadly, the Mustang is getting tore apart and getting traded in very soon. Going back to stock, and it's kind of heartbreaking to see. It's kind of sad, but I'm really excited for the next project coming to the channel. Before the Mustang goes away completely, I wanted to make a little recap of the 6 months that I've had this car and pretty much everything that I've done to the car. Not much has been done, but I decided to make this type of video just to kind of pay tribute to the Mustang build. It's heartbreaking seeing the Mustang like this because I had so much plans for it. And yeah, it'll definitely be missed. Chris? Gorgeous. Blacked out. I believe it has the blacked out package with the emblem and stuff. It looks pretty good. I'm just like checking it over. What in the world just happened? Like, what just happened? I just don't know. This is so weird. This is my car. Dude, what in the... Oh my gosh. Dude. And I can turn full lock and it doesn't rub. No, I did not crash the Mustang already, but I just really wanted to get a new front bumper. I noticed right here, it's actually on both sides. Both of the tabs are broken, both sides, but right there, that little dimple right there, there's like a screw under this. So I would literally never be able to take this bumper off. There it is, dude. That's the definition of just you don't care. What in the world? We have bags for the Mustang. All these airlines, a whole bunch of stuff for this install. FedEx dude came through and we got some brand new taillights for the Mustang. These taillights right here are like everything. I love these taillights so much. Right here in this box, we got Coyote 1-inch spacers for the Mustang. Oh my gosh. That is not aired out all the way. I still have 30 psi. That is so tight. Oh my gosh. I can't even fit my finger in here. Oh sh. What, is it hitting? Today we're heading to Headline Auto Design to pick up the Mustang. So it's completely done. They just gave me word that the car is ready for pickup. Mustang stock comes with these like ugly amber lights. These orange lights for like the turn signal and the DRLs. This is why we got some switchbacks from Diode Dynamics for the Mustang. downshift in a second. Punch it again.